Hi, I'm Justin Crooks with Signal Hound here at IMS 2024. We're showing our VNA400, a 40 megahertz to 40 gigahertz full two-port vector network analyzer that is powered over USB. Here we are testing a microwave low-pass filter, which is a waveguide filter. So you can see the low-pass response from the waveguide, and then the band-pass response of the filter and the roll-off. The VNA400 has a powerful software platform with a lot of modern features like fixture removal, time gating, several time domain measurements, and supports a wide variety of SOLT cal kits, and should be super easy to use and just add value to the Signal Hound family of products. We're also showing for the first time our PN400, which is our VCO and phase noise tester. We use the new PN400 box, works with two of our SM series spectrum analyzers to do cross-correlated phase noise measurements. And it also includes a very low noise power supply and tune voltage for VCO testing. You can actually measure down to about minus 179 dBc per Hertz with the cross-correlation of two of our analyzers. Yeah, so these are our two new exciting products for the IMS show. Everyone knows us for our spectrum analyzers, but we're trying to show that Signal Hound is more than just spectrum analyzers now. For more information, visit our website, signalhound.com, and thank you for watching.